Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this app here called Smore, okay? So maybe you've seen this app and you're wondering, can you make money from this app? How do you make money from it? Is it worth your time is the big question. We'll go through all that to see whether it's, good for you to download the app and try and make some money from it, all right? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month minimum from home, all you need to do is just click the link below. I'll send you that strategy for free straight to your email if you want to check that out, okay? Now, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of make money online apps, cashback apps, survey websites, GPT, PTC, different business models. You name it, I have reviewed them. And this app right here is basically a sort of like lock screen combined with a GPT style app, right? That means that you can do a couple of things on there to earn points and exchange them for rewards and gifts. We'll talk about how much those are worth, right? And whether it's worth your time. And also it's kind of like a lock screen thing, which is pretty cool. I've never really seen that before, right? So the way that it works is, let me just kind of go to the right page here so that you can see. Basically, you can download this app for free. It's global. You can download it on your Android device or your iPhone, right? And the main way that you can make money is something called the lock screen, right? So if you use the lock screen, essentially your home screen will be their screen, and as soon as you unlock your screen, you're going to see an ad, right? Now you can delete the ad, or you can press X to kind of delete the ad, but every time you unlock your phone throughout the day, you're going to see an ad, and on average per day, after you've been unlocking your phone over and over again for maybe 20-30 times, at the end of the day you'll earn roughly 10 points. Okay, we'll talk about how much those points are worth. Again, whether it's a good way to earn money, but this is the main way to make money from them. If you decide not to use the lock screen, you can turn it off, but this is kind of their main way. But besides that, there are other ways to make money as well. One of the other ways is to watch video ads, okay? So you can watch video ads inside, and usually the ads are about 30 to 60 seconds long, and for every single ad you watch, you make between 5 points and 10 points. Again, we'll talk about how much those points are worth in a minute, right? But you could sit there and watch quite a lot of ads every single day if you really, really want to. Another way is you can refer friends, where you can earn about 25 points every time somebody signs up, which is not bad, right? You can also play games, okay? And you can take surveys as well. Where are the surveys? Okay, you can take different surveys and you can earn roughly about, again, very similar, 5 to 10 points for every survey that you fill out. So a few different ways that you can make money from the app. You can use their lock screen function where you watch ads. You can go into the app and watch videos and ads yourself. You can fill out surveys, and you can play video games. So a combination of different things. So this is a lock screen app combined with a GPT style get paid to click type of website. Okay. Now the big question is how much money can you really make, right? So just so that you understand, with the Smore app, 100 points equals to $1 on average, okay? And in order for you to exchange your points into rewards, you need a minimum of 300 points to get $3 worth of rewards. Now, the thing about the S'mores app is that you cannot withdraw cash. You can only redeem gift cards. All right, so there's no way for you to get cash. Like, there are some apps out there where you can turn your points into real money and then withdraw it through PayPal, and then you can spend your money on whatever you want. But with the Smore app, you can only convert your points into gift cards, unfortunately, right? So whether it's a Target, Amazon, Walmart gift card, for example, okay? So you need about 300 points for the minimum. Some of the gift cards are 500 points minimum, right? So if you do the math, how long is it going to take you to get to, let's just say, 300 points, right? Well, you know that on average, per day, you'll get 10 points just by using the lock screen function, right? You also know that for every video ad you watch, which will last between 30 and 60 seconds long, you'll get roughly between 5 and 10 points. Every survey you fill out, 5 to 10 points. Every game you play, which takes a little while, you get between 5 and 10 points, right? So that means that if you want to win 300 points to win $3, right, you need to take a minimum of about 30 actions a day, okay? So if you think about it, per day, could you do 30 actions? Yeah, you probably could do 30 actions. How long is that going to take you? It will probably take you between 1 to 2 hours to do that, right? Because it does take time. If you're filling out the surveys, you have to go through all the survey pre-qualification questions. If you're watching ads, it takes time to load between ads. You have to watch each one, which is about 60 seconds long. So it does take a little bit of time for you to rack up those points, okay? But it is possible if you spend a couple of hours a day to rack up 300 points and exchange it for gift cards worth $3 every single day. So every day you could get roughly a $3 gift card if you really spent time on this app, all right? But the big question is Smore worth your time? That's the big question, right? Should you be spending 1 to 2 hours a day on this app and only earning about $3? Well, only you can answer that question. But for me, to be honest, I've reviewed lots of different ways to make money online. Spending 2 hours a day on an app that only gives you roughly about $3 back in return is a big waste of your time. Because if you have 2 hours to spare every single day online, excuse me, you should be making hundreds of dollars a day, not $3 for every 2 hours that you spend on a website like this. Now, don't get me wrong, this is a legit site. So if you want to come on here and you want to use the lock screen function, you want to get gift cards, you want to earn points by watching videos, playing some video games, referring friends, answering some surveys. This is a legit app. This will work globally and you can get gift cards. The thing that I don't like about it is that you can't exchange it for cash, right? You can only exchange it for a gift card. So if you want to spend money on something else that's not gift card related, you can't do that, unfortunately, right? The other problem is that you are spending quite a lot of time and you make very, very little money. But that's not to do with S'mores, because they have a free business model, which means that you can come on here and make money for free. So they can't give you that much money, unfortunately, okay? It's a low skill set way to make a little bit of money for the time that you're spending on it. All right, so if you want to check it out, you can head to the Google Play Store. You can download it. It's called Smore, right? You can check it out if you want, okay? But if you're here watching this video, maybe you're looking for a way to make big money, right? Maybe you understand that this is the internet, this is the technology age. You should be able to make hundreds of dollars a day leveraging the power of the internet and technology. And you can if you understand where to look, right? Like a lot of people don't understand this, but I have a favorite way of getting to 5 to 10,000 US dollars minimum per month, every single month, 100% from home. You just need your computer and an internet connection. And if that's something that you prefer to do, just go ahead and click the link below. I'll send you that strategy for free straight to your email. You can check that out. All right. I hope you enjoyed this review of Smore, and I hope to see you on another review soon. Take care.